If you want to create your own custom keyboard theme on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then first of all we need to go to the settings, scroll all the way down and go to additional settings. Then over here choose languages and input and then go to manage keyboards. Over here you want to select your keyboard, which is most likely Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use. And now over here go to theme. Then you can press this plus button where you have my themes, in order to create your own. You can use a photo from the gallery. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here. We can adjust the photo, of course, and then we can press next. We can adjust the brightness of the photo and then press done. In addition to that, we can enable and disable key borders, and then you can press apply in order to use your custom theme. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!